Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, March 23rd, and we're back taking another look at Ford. We're going to cover what the price action was yesterday, what the price action is today, and we're going to talk about some price predictions. Stay tuned. Let's start with a summary of yesterday. Yesterday, in my opinion, we attempted an ascending triangle breakout. So, can't really tell here. Some of the candles are off because I'm in the 30-minute. If we go down to a 10, it will show after hours, pre-market, extended hours. And you could see that over the course of the last couple days, actually, this was the beginning of last week, 315 here where my cursor is. We had this big drop off to 317. And what happened was there was some oscillation between 318, 319, and 322 yesterday. So we formed a bottom here at, let me get my notes, 1222. We went back up and we topped out at about 1301 in after hours, came back down to about 1244. We went right back up to about 13, and then we came down to 1251. And when we went back up yesterday, the volume was dropping off, and we were not able to break this 13 and complete the pattern. If we were able to break up through the 13 at this point, I would be looking for a breakout that would have tested this 1362 high. It would have tested the resistance level above the 1350 resistance. However, that is not what happened. All right, let's take a look at what happened today in the market. So we started off with some negative momentum. We're trading underneath moving averages. We broke the 1250 support level, and I imagine that there was probably some profit taking after this bull run after that. Which point we broke through the 1222, which was the low of last week. And finally, we ended down near the low of the day was 1212, I believe. But the most important point about where we're at right now is we have officially broken through the 200 SMA support level on the 20-day, 30-minute chart. So you can see that historically throughout this bull run, there have always been pullbacks to the 200 MA. Here we have broken down through it and tested it this morning. So that was the initial rise up to about 1260 that happened early in the market, would be the test of that 200 SMA. Yep, right here around 1260. So what's my current outlook on Ford right now? What do I think about ticker F? Well, I think that we're forming a bear flag that gives us a predicted low of 1161. Let me explain this a little bit further. The high that we had here was 1362, and we dropped down to a low of about 1222. We rose back up to around the $13 mark, and that gives us a new predicted low for a bear flag pattern of 1160 or 1161. Now notice that where this 50 period MA is on the 3-month on the daily chart, the 50 MA is a confirmation that this will be the next price point to look out for. I turn on the crosshair. We're right around 1160, 1162. That's the price that I'm expecting for us to cross back through in this correction. So I would give some time to allow for profit taking and evaluate re-entry when the price is trending closer to this 50 MA on the daily chart. I want to at least see some green daily candles around the 50 MA before I get back in. And that's my current outlook on it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. If you know anyone that would find this information useful, please share it to them. And let me know in the comments if there's any other tickers that you'd like me to look at, and I'll get that in the works. I'm looking to branch out from here.